Hello, and welcome to another Super Dispatch support video. Today, we're going to be going over how to integrate QuickBooks Desktop inside of Carrier TMS. Once you've logged into the platform, the first thing you're going to want to do is click on the profile icon in the bottom left-hand corner. From there, click on Settings, and then QuickBooks Integration. Once you're on the QuickBooks Integrations page, you're going to head to the QuickBooks Desktop section. From there, you're going to click on Show How to Connect. Once you've clicked on Show How to Connect, you're going to see step number 1, which is to run your QuickBooks Desktop application. If you have multiple companies, open the QuickBooks Desktop company file that you want to integrate with Super Dispatch. If you're not sure how to change companies, click on the plus icon that will show you how to quickly change between companies. Once you've successfully selected the company that you want to use, move on to step number 2, which is to download the QWC file. This file allows you to connect your Super Dispatch account with your QuickBooks Desktop account. Once the file has successfully downloaded, go ahead and open it. Once the security window pops up, click OK. In step number 4, the next security window will pop up. You're going to want to select the option that says yes whenever this QuickBooks file is open. This will give access to transfer your data from Super Dispatch to your QuickBooks company file and keep them in sync whenever your company file is open. After selecting Continue, in the Access Confirmation window, click Confirm. In step number 6, you're going to want to copy the password 6343, and in the Web Connector window, enter the 4-digit password and hit Enter on your keyboard. You will receive another pop-up window asking you to save the password. Then, in step number 7, you're going to want to check the box to the left of the Super Dispatch application. In step number 8, to send updates to QuickBooks automatically, click the checkbox under Auto Run. Enter a number of minutes for automated updates under the Every Minute field. For example, if you enter 10, Web Connector will be connecting to Super Dispatch every 10 minutes. Once you've entered this, click on Update Selected. On this page, you can select your service item. Once you've selected your service item, select Update Service Items List. Additionally, you can also import your contacts from QuickBooks. And then finally, you can also select Automatically Create Customers inside of QuickBooks Desktop. And that's it. You have now successfully integrated QuickBooks Desktop with Carrier TMS. If you have any additional questions, you can always feel free to reach out to the support team at support@superdispatch.com or by clicking the icon in the bottom right-hand corner to connect with us. Again, thank you so much for watching this video, and we hope you have an amazing rest of your day.